Searching for a robot vacuum that actually cleans and doesn't just politely push dust around like it's decorating, today we're talking about the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S40. And I've been testing it like it owes me money. Now first thing you notice, this thing has serious suction. Xiaomi claims 10,000 PA, and honestly it's not just marketing drama. I tried it on fine dust, hair, even coffee powder, and it didn't struggle. It basically said, "Is that all you got?" and swallowed it. And speaking of hair, this is where it gets interesting. If you've ever owned a robot vacuum, you already know the pain. Hair gets wrapped around the brush like it's trying to build a nest, but the S40 uses an anti-tangle setup with a comb-like design and a V-shaped main brush. And in real use, it actually reduces the hair monster problem a lot. I still checked it, but I wasn't doing surgery every day. Next, battery. It comes with a 5200 mAh battery, and in normal cleaning, it lasts long enough to handle a bigger home in one run. I used it for a full session and it didn't tap out early like some robots that act tough, then die in 40 minutes. It also does vacuum plus mop together, and the mop has adjustable water levels in the Xiaomi Home app. That means you can keep it light for daily cleaning, or increase it for dirtier floors, without turning your house into a swimming pool. Navigation is also a win. It uses LDS laser navigation, so it maps rooms properly and moves it like it actually knows where it's going, unlike me in the kitchen at 2 AM. So final verdict, if you want strong suction, smart mapping, and less hair tangling, the Xiaomi S40 is a legit cleaning assistant, not a toy. And if you stay till the end of the week, your floor might finally stop judging you. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.